Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 930 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Coinbase has announced the testnet launch of Base. Galaxy Digital has acquired the custody platform GK8, and Mawson has relocated its miners to the US. But just before we get into the show today, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Alright, so Coinbase, which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker COIN, has announced in an official blog post the testnet launch of Base. This is described as an Ethereum Layer 2 network offering a secure, low-cost, developer-friendly way for anyone, anywhere to build decentralized apps or dApps on-chain. An excerpt from the post explaining Base reads, quote, "Our goal with Base is to make on-chain the next online and onboard 1 billion or more users into the crypto economy. In pursuit of this goal, Base will serve as both a home for Coinbase's on-chain products and an open ecosystem where anyone can build." End quote. Next up, Galaxy Digital Holdings Limited, which trades on the TSX under the ticker GLXY, has completed its previously announced acquisition of substantially all of the assets of GK8. This is a secure institutional digital asset custody platform for approximately $44 million. Mike Novogratz, the founder and CEO of Galaxy, comments, quote, "Investor demand for innovative and secure custody services continues to grow, and the acquisition of GK8 enhances our efforts to offer clients best-in-class cold storage solutions along with cutting-edge wallet technology. In addition to continuing to offer highly valuable custody technology to clients, the GK8 team will play a pivotal role in our evolution to offer a full-service financial platform for digital assets." End quote. Lastly for today, Mawson Infrastructure Group, Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker MIGI, has closed its facility in Condong, New South Wales, Australia, and is now focusing on its operations in the United States exclusively. Consequently, all of its ASIC miners and MDC equipment are being transferred to Pennsylvania for deployment. The company's CEO James Manning said, quote, "Mawson continues to push forward with our operations in the United States. As such, we made the strategic decision post-closure of the Australian facility to relocate all our Australian assets to the U.S., and focus our resources on building out the 220 megawatts of facilities we have in Pennsylvania. All 5,376 ASIC units have either arrived or are soon arriving for deployment in Pennsylvania, with the MDCs to follow. We look forward to seeing these units come online in early Q2 2023. End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. This podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss in investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available. This podcast was sponsored by AppTech Payments Corp. AppTech is an innovative fintech company whose mission is to deliver a better way for businesses to provide their customers with immersive commerce experiences. For more information, visit apptechcorp.com. AppTech trades on the NasDaq under the ticker symbol APCX.